Whoa!
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun.
Ocean City, Maryland, we're back for another great video. This is what you want on a beautiful day like this. You want the beach, and then we're going on the boardwalk. We're gonna get some food. Let's go. She has arrived. We're at the beach, honey.
What a wonderful morning. It's awesome.
But you know what? It's gonna be a sad day today because there's something sad that happened down here, but we're still at the boardwalk. It's gonna be a great day, isn't it?
Yes.
Let's get into this video. Let's show a 360 here, the ocean behind us. Oh my goodness, let's go. It's gonna be a sad day because there is something that is no longer here no more. We'll get into that as we get to the boardwalk, but look at this ocean today. Is this fabulous or what? Make sure you're liking and subscribing and follow us on Instagram because you're gonna see all kinds of behind the scenes down here. I know Laura's doing an Instagram right now. We're heading down this boardwalk and showing you what's new. Trust me, there's a lot new because I've already videotaped some of it, didn't I?
Yep.
There's the Lighthouse Museum. I've never been in this, but I understand it's really nice. It's one of the top attractions on this boardwalk. Now, one thing you will notice, they don't have the tram ride here anymore in Ocean City because of an accident they had a year or two ago. I don't know how long they're gonna keep it closed. That's what's going on this week, the Marlin tournament. I can't wait to see who wins it. It will be all over the news. All right, there's Dippin' Dots, but what I want to show you, some people say this is the best pizza on this boardwalk, Piazzano's. They have an indoor and an outdoor spot. There's the outdoor. I gotta take a piece of this back to my wife. There you go, honey, that's the Piazzano pizza. I hope you like this one. It is hot. Just like you. How's Piazzano compared to Dough Roller? Because you know we're going there today.
The crust is better.
Really? All right, this place is new. We're about on 8th Street right now, right next to these bikes. Do you see this place? 8th Street Smashburgers, established in 2025. I can't wait to see what this place is like. Fried chicken sandwich, and you get the toppings for free.
Order number one.
8th Street Smashburger are the best burgers in... Oh, no. 8th Street Smashburger are the best burgers on the boardwalk.
I agree with
Welcome.
Oh, and Smashburger's got some great outdoor seating, but I love their little entryway. You got a garage door. They are made to order these Smashburgers. Look at this. They even gave me a back row seat to this. That looks good, man. I'm hungry. What's your favorite?
Double bacon.
Double bacon. That sounds good. Oh, and they sell beer here. That's a new one. Mango Cart Wheat Ale and Grateful Dead. She's making a peanut butter milkshake. I can't wait to try that. My wife is going to go insane. Thank you so much. Along for the Journey is the channel. Make sure you subscribe. Whoa! Smashburgers, I thank you so much for letting me come back to the kitchen. You gave me a Smashburger and a free milkshake. It's peanut butter chocolate, honey.
Oh my God.
And we're on the beach. Look at this. It don't get any better than this, right?
Nope.
I got to try it. And this place is brand spanking new on the Ocean City Boardwalk. That's a burger.
I want to taste it.
Go see them.
Too much tomato.
Oh yeah, I did get tomato. It's got fried onions, but that's a great burger. Let's just get back to the boardwalk. Here, you'll like this. Honey, taste that milkshake. I did have a couple sips on the way back. Chocolate, peanut butter, homemade. I don't know what her name was, but thank you for saying all you did on Smashburgers. This is perfect for the beach today. All right, somewhere between 8th and 9th Street, you're gonna find this place. It's breakfast on the water, tipsy tacos. Check out the menu, but the thing that's got my attention here is the street corn. I love their little vibe here. They also got apparently a great breakfast along the boardwalk. You can see it's not even 11 o'clock yet, and this boardwalk is bustling. Right there's the t-shirt factory, all kinds of shopping along here. There's the Funcade and the Sensations, and there's another hot spot, Hammerheads. It's right next to Sensations here. I tell you one thing I love about Hammerheads, and I never get tired of it, is got to be the colors. Crush Bar, what is that? That's right next to Hammerheads. That looks like some kind of bar right along the boardwalk. Orange Crush, I wonder if it's about the soda here. Does this just scream Ocean City? I just love the yellow. It goes with the theme on a boardwalk, Sensations. You want t-shirts, this is probably the place to come. And just in case you're new to this channel, Sensations is all over Ocean City, Maryland, as well as all these Funcades here. I think they got just about every crane game you can think of in this place. The perfect transportation mode on any boardwalk has got to be rent a bike or one of these big bikes. All right, this is new. Smile. You're in Ocean City, Maryland. Step up and get a photo. There's just so much to do on this boardwalk. Stunning today. All right, this has always got to be one of the hot spots. Candy Kitchen. If you like candy, this is the one to get on Ocean City, Maryland's boardwalk. They're all over. Look at all this candy. I just love coming in here just for the smells. And supposedly it's homemade fudge. Look at all these flavors. All right, there's Love Lemonade. They got great lemonade and great funnel cakes, but here's where I'm headed, Dough Roller. If you thought I was coming to Dough Roller and not getting a piece of this, you're crazy. I will tell you one thing, they didn't listen to me in my last video because I said get bigger slices. This fits the plate. That's not big enough, but it's still good. And it's hot. I know I'm gonna burn myself. I can't get it. It's something about that super thin crust. I guess I don't care if it's thin or not. And small. There's Tony's Pizza. I thought they got rid of that. They just made it smaller, but this place is new. Funnel cakes, flavor burst, gyros, all kinds of stuff here. All right, you can see they made Tony smaller, but what's got my attention right now is this dirty soda. Look at all these different flavors there. Island Water, Riptide, Razzle Dazzle, and Skinny Dip. Then right next to that dirty soda place is this place. It's called Flamingo Coast. I guess it's the same thing, but you might have eateries inside here. All right, just when you think you saw it all, look at the detail on this Noah's Ark display. Oh my God, that is incredible. Here's a quick 180 of all this places. Look at, here's the t-shirt shop, but right up here, we've showed you in a couple videos, dumpsters, great peanut butter fudge milkshakes. And when it's hot in Ocean City, make sure you're going in the arcades because it's a great place to get cooled off. Play a couple games. This is my speed. I like the pinball machines. All right, enough of the arcade. Let's continue down this boardwalk. All right, there's the classics. Fisher's Popcorn. If you've been coming to Ocean City, you know about this. My wife is going to get one, I'm sure. And there's another one of the classics. Coors Brothers frozen yogurt. It's been a classic since 1919.
The caramel, and it's still warm.
And don't you wish you could go back to this time? Look at this. This is what frozen custard at Coors Brothers looked like in Atlantic City in 1926. All right, here's the House of Ice Cream. I don't know if this is new, but I know this is new. If you've never had this Dubai chocolate like a sundae, you gotta try it. Here she goes, she's tasting this Dubai strawberry. What is it? Dubai strawberry cup.
It's really unusual, but it's really good. You gotta taste this.
Okay. There goes the, whatever that launch thing is. That's out where the rides are. Whoa! Did you see that? All right, I'm glad to see this. They put a new Ocean City sign here right next to the Thrashers. I know that's brand new. Ripley's is right on the other side. There's the pier right there. The one pier that they have that kind of goes out towards the ocean. Right behind the Ripley's, believe it or not. All right, right across from the Ripley's is this place right here that has something unique on their menu. Great for fried chicken, but they got a great soft shell crab sandwich. You won't see that anywhere else on this boardwalk. All right, there's the world famous Thrashers French fry. Look at that line. I don't know. It goes way up there. Do not come to this boardwalk without getting one of these up here. A Thrashers French fry. It is a staple in Ocean City, Maryland. And if you want to see really cool, I'll put a link down below. They got a camera here, so you can watch this place 24/7. When I'm hungry for a fry, I just turn that channel on. That's the Thrashers French fries. That's why you skip dumpsters. You gotta get a French fry. Eat one.
They look amazing.
I don't like the vinegar side.
Oh.
That's Ocean City, Maryland right there. And once you get through that Thrashers line, right over there is Sportsland, a great big arcade. All right, here's another thing that's new. Right across from this main area on the boardwalk where Thrashers is over here. They opened a Dumpsters Dairyland right here across from Thrashers. And there's the original Dumpsters. That's the one I always go to get my shakes. This is the indoor part of Trimper Rides. One thing you notice about this carousel right here is this thing moves. Look how fast it's going. But then you walk through and you can see all the rides. Look at all these rides they got. There's the teacups over here. This looks like a little, called Sky Race. Some of this stuff is new in here. All right, there it is. That's brand new. Looks like it's called the Endeavor. Single rider cars. The classic mirror maze. Look at all the seagulls over here at Dumpsters. I bet somebody's over here feeding them. Here's my wife being that person. Feeding the seagulls. Say hello to my little friends. Hello. It is a beautiful day in this neighborhood. Ocean City's boardwalk. Look right here, the haunted house. That's been here since I was like 2, maybe longer. 60 chilling years. Happy birthday, Dark Ride. I just had a bad thought.
Dreary dungeons.
I'm 60 years old. This thing is as old as me.
Gather your courage. Your coffin awaits. All aboard.
There's no shortage of games still to play here. Everybody wants to win something. It's great to see they put some money in this place. This place was falling down up top. I think a lot of the employees work and stay here. If you like shells and souvenirs, this souvenir city has everything. I promise you, it's one of my wife's favorite places. Please watch out for these guys. There's seagulls all over this place. Almost got hit by one earlier. Forewarned, if you're 6 foot or taller, you're gonna run into all these different things. Look at the entryway to this. That's all glass work. All right, these seagulls are cool. Look at this, he's got a piece of dough roller. This one's got a little crab. And they got little babies on them.
French fries.
Oh, that's a French fry. All right, I know this is new. It's called Boardwalk Carnival Foods. It looks like they got a little bit of everything in here. I see some fries. Key lime cheesesteak, smoked turkey legs, Dubai chocolate. All right, I think these are new. They're starting to do what Atlantic City does, where they got these signs up along the boardwalk to show you events that might be coming up.
I miss staying there.
She hates when I do this. This is a place we always stayed, right here in this place, right on the boardwalk. Can you say Guido's Burrito? Look at this drink here. here we go. This is probably the sad part of the video for some of you. For some of you, it's gonna be a great addition. Who remembers what was at the end of this building? Alaska Stand. It used to be right next to this place, right here on this little corner spot. Do you see what it is now? It's a Thrashers French fry right on 9th Street. I'm gonna throw some video in here because this was here since 1930, the Alaska Stand. And there is a famous place. I know a lot of people have said you gotta try this place, the Alaska Stand, because it's been here since 1933. And this is the original on 9th Street, Alaska Stand. No longer. It's now the world famous Thrashers French fries. That's a wrap. I hope you like this video. Ocean City updates and everything that's new. I love these little sand castles they do for Jesus. And they do it multiple times throughout the year. So make sure you're checking this out.
It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to